My name's Shaun from England. I'm 33.
Skin is like a perfect. I think my recension started around the age maybe 25, 26, and slowly over time it began to sort of fade away, and a lot of my focus was around it, and confidence and things. And I had long hair before this, and I think that exacerbated the look, So, and yeah, it was. It's a weird one because it's an insecurity, and it's exciting being here, knowing that you can sort of fix that insecurity. So yeah, for a friend's been here a couple of times. So yeah, he came and good results. So yeah, excited to be here. Particularly, amongst friends, social groups, they would sort of like point it out and have a laugh, but there was no sort of direct feeling. Do you know what I mean? It was all within me and what I was feeling within myself in terms of confidence or security. Absolutely, it's a fun process because the guy that comes in and is drawing on your head, he carries that sort of artist. What's the word I'm looking for? Presence. The way he's standing in front of you and got the pencil on. It's a fun experience, yeah, and it's what's the word? Exact, and that's what I appreciate and like. So yeah, absolutely. Clean, comfortable. Say enough about the staff and how attentive they are and caring and respectful and kind and everything. So yeah, it was very pleasant experience. Considering when you're entering into a clinical setting, can be a bit nervous and all this good stuff. But no, it was perfect, fine, good. Completely, absolutely. Completely, totally informative, consistent, like perfect, honestly. No qualms, no problems, all good. Thank you very much for your time, your patience, your kindness, and your openness, willingness to take care of people. And I'm very thankful for that and appreciative, because now I get to move forward within my own life. Not that I was so unconfident before with my hairline, but just now you've got that added layer, I've got a bit more confidence with it, and that's thanks to everyone here. So deeply appreciative and very thankful for it. So thank you very much. Yeah, absolutely. If there's so many different types of people in the world, as we know, and we've got all these insecurities, and it's great that we live in a day and age that we can do something about it, and so if you're thinking about it, absolutely just go for it. Just get it done.